you again as coach. Your thoughts?
Amazing game, amazing game. I didn't say anything about the girls. I'm so proud of them. They gave it all. I'd like to thank also Thailand for playing a good game today. Wow, it's been a hard battle going to the board. Hopefully, mas marami pang dumating for the Philippines. I know. Again, thank you lahat sa mga sumusuporta, lahat ng mga nanonood dito. Lahat nanonood si Chairman dito, President Ricky Vargas here, our Executive Director, Erika Diz here also. Thank you so much for all the support. So lahat ng mga Pilipino nanonood ngayon, maraming salamat. Back home also, thank you sa mga prayers nyo, lahat po.
Next one nila for 3 games. Is this the biggest of them all considering sa Thailand tayo?
Yes, of course. This is the mas sweeter to kasi we're out of the nilay sa country natin. Ito yung ano talagang pinaghirapan nila ng workers. So, it was a tough game. It was talaga swertihan lang.
Coach, how will you celebrate this year?
I don't know. Just maybe go to the family lang yan. Go with the loved ones, yun lang. Anymore?
Coach, yung Kimikita tournament, siyempre na-apekto kayo dun sa ability. But you know, you were able to overcome that. At yung opening game, hindi ka na kayo doon.
Yeah, siguro yun yung bakit mas sweet tong tournament na to. Because of that rule that they had na binahirapan na the last minute na lang biglang babalik ulit yung game. So just happy, but you know that we had the game plan good. So sarap lang ng feeling. Thank you so much again.
Coach, namamang kayo ng medyo malaki ng third quarter pero ayaw din bumigay ng kalaban. Yung sinabi sa players.
Sabi ko, just calm down. I know the crowd is not behind us, but dahan-dahan natin. Go back to what I wrote in the board was go back to basic. Ano ba yung pinakahan natin, gagawin natin na magandang nilalaro natin. So, we go back to that and buti naging effective na meron konting nakashoot si Janina 3 points kanina. That was big. Yung mga defensive stop natin was big also. That's why. Tama na.
Coach.
Ha?
Ingat ka na.
Woo! Thank you!